Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are cleaning MAF sensors on my 2009 Nissan GT-R. The car has 70,000 miles, so I just decided to give it a go and clean them up. Since I have a little bit of RPM drop that goes up and down, I said, you know, let's clean them up, maybe that will help. It's nothing crazy, but also the video is not edited or anything. I'm just shooting as a go, so if I say something, I apologize. So the way you gotta clean them up, obviously you gotta purchase the MAF airflow sensor from local auto parts store, AutoZone, whatever you have local. You will just spray it through that hole. I believe, yes, there is 2 holes over there and 1 hole on this side, and then wait 10-15 minutes before you put everything back. Let it dry. Do not touch anything what's inside, obviously, because they will go bad. They may go bad. So the way to pop them up, I have to disconnect. All you gotta do, just disconnect the hose from the blow valves, and then the vacuum hose. Pop them up and put them to the side. You have 2. They are 7 mils. Let me check, verify. Yeah, these are 7. That's 7 mil. You pop them up, and there is a clip on the side. What is it? Yeah, it's on that side. You just press the clip in and pull it up, and then unscrew it, and you can pop them up. You don't have to take the intakes off, because I think you gotta take the intakes off, because obviously they're kind of long as the regular ones in the car. And I install it on that side, and I'm gonna install it right here, put it back together. I did spark plugs on my car. There'll be more videos coming in. I did all the maintenance, brake, rotors, pads, wheels. I'm gonna reveal the car in a couple days to show you guys on the outside, but so far I took care of all the maintenance. That's what I like to do when I get a car. I go through everything, you know, filters, cabin filter, air filter, coolant. That way I can track what was done and what not. I also suggest to disconnect the battery, but it's up to you. I did not disconnect the battery. I'm really careful when it comes to anything that has electric, you know. So yeah, this is it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.